Welcome to Saleh Bay, a stunning marine haven on Sumbawa Island, where diverse ecosystems come together to support a rich tapestry of life. This bay spans over 1,500 square kilometers, includes mangrove forests, coral reefs, and seagrass beds, each playing a crucial role in the bay's vibrant ecological balance. Among its most remarkable inhabitants is the whale shark, the largest fish in the world. The mangroves are a vital part of these ecosystems, serving as nurseries for young marine species. For the whale shark, these mangroves contribute to a healthy marine environment by supporting the food chain that sustains them. Then we have the coral reefs, stunning, intricate, and full of life. Beneath the surface, these reefs provide home to countless marine species. And let's not forget the seagrass beds. Often overlooked, these are incredibly important too. They provide food for herbivores like dugongs and sea turtles, and they help keep the ecosystem healthy by recycling nutrients. Together, these ecosystems create a sanctuary for marine life, including some of the world's most threatened species like the majestic whale sharks. In Saleh Bay, local communities have a deep-rooted connection to the waters that sustain their lives. For many families, fishing is not just an economic activity, but a fundamental way of life, providing essential income and meeting daily needs. Yet, Saleh Bay is not just about traditional fishing. Its stunning landscapes and the presence of these amazing whale sharks present significant potential for ecotourism. By adopting sustainable resource management practices and developing ecotourism, we can create a harmonious balance. This approach not only protects the bay's diverse ecosystem, but also enhances the economic well-being of local communities. Everything here is connected. The mangroves, the coral reefs, the seagrass beds, they all work together, creating a fragile but beautiful balance that supports one of the most biodiverse marine regions on this planet. But this balance is under threat. Human activities are putting these ecosystems at risk, and it's up to us to protect them. Protecting Saleh Bay's biodiversity requires sustainable fishing, pollution reduction, responsible coastal development, and stronger climate action. These efforts are key to preserving its ecosystem and species. Saleh Bay is an important marine sanctuary for the whale sharks, playing a critical role in their life cycle. To gain more insights about all our conservation efforts here in Saleh Bay, let's talk to our scientist. His expertise will shed a light on the strides that we've made and the vital work that still lies ahead. Iqbal, it's been really impressive to see all our conservation efforts here in Saleh Bay. Can you share a little bit more about the progress we've made in research and development work here?
Yes, we began a conservation initiative for whale shark here in Saleh Bay back in 2017. We conducted rapid assessment to estimate the population size of whale shark in Saleh Bay, and then we realized based on that, the population size in the Saleh Bay is quite big, so this is quite interesting to do conservation of whale shark in here. Like we have seen in Cendrawasih Bay and Kaimana, whale shark in Saleh Bay interact with the bagan fisheries. They are eating small fish and shrimp near bagan platform. This unique interaction between whale shark and bagan fisheries has allowed scientists to conduct further study. Over the past 6 years, our focus has been on building a foundation at the grassroots level. Through this support, community awareness of the importance of whale shark has grown. Our research on the whale shark population has shown that Saleh Bay is a critical habitat for their life cycle. It serves as a feeding, nursery, and migration site with year-round aggregation, making it one of the global hotspots for whale shark. This finding underscored the importance of conserving whale shark in this bay, while also creating a direct impact through empowering the local community through ecotourism and collaborating with the government.
That community involvement is key, especially as we're seeing a shift towards sustainable tourism. How has that been integrated with conservation efforts?
Over 3,000 tourists visit every year to see whale shark, generating an economic impact of around 1.2 billion rupiah annually. However, the benefit extends far beyond just the financial aspect. Our approach to sustainable tourism goes beyond just attracting visitors. We place a strong emphasis on educating tourists about whale sharks and their crucial role in the marine ecosystem. This approach helps ensure that whale sharks continue to thrive in their natural habitat, while also delivering benefit to the community, reinforcing the importance of preserving these species.
It is encouraging to see the balance between conservation and local livelihoods, but there is still work to be done, right? So what are the next steps in protecting the whale sharks and their habitat?
Currently, only about 6,000 hectares or 23% of identified whale shark hotspots fall under protection within 2 existing MPA in Saleh Bay. This means that a significant portion of the critical area where whale shark utilizing for feeding, migrating, and nursery remain unprotected. To ensure the protection of the whale shark population and habitat in Saleh Bay, it is necessary to expand the protected area to safeguard critical habitat. This conservation effort not only protects the whale shark locally, but also support the recovery of population across Indo-Pacific and strengthens ecotourism that benefit local communities.
Thank you, Iqbal. It's clear that the future of whale shark conservation here is promising, but it will take continued collaboration, adaptive and responsible management to ensure the survival of these incredible creatures for generations to come. Indonesia, a country known for its extraordinary marine biodiversity, is now taking a monumental step towards protecting one of its most iconic species, the whale shark. In the waters of Saleh Bay, located in the heart of the Indo-Pacific, a groundbreaking project is underway: the development of Indonesia's first marine protected area dedicated to the conservation of whale sharks. As an umbrella species, the protection of whale sharks benefit the entire marine ecosystem. By safeguarding whale sharks, we are also protecting countless other species that share their habitat, from planktons to large predators. Global efforts to conserve these magnificent creatures are not just about one species. They are about the broader health of our planet's ocean. This marine protected area will be more than just a safe haven for these remarkable creatures. It will also be a model for how conservation can drive sustainable economic growth, support local communities, and protect our natural heritage for future generations. In the effort to develop a whale shark-based marine protected area that effectively protect populations, habitats, and benefit the broader ecosystems, a scientific expedition is currently underway in Saleh Bay. Researchers from various disciplines are working together to understand fish biodiversity, coral biodiversity, conduct plankton surveys to assess food source of the whale sharks, monitor top predators, as well as conducting acoustic monitoring underwater. Now, let's take a closer look at what our scientists are doing during this expedition. We're here with Dr. Eddie Setiawan, who's leading the BRUF survey underwater, Baited Remote Underwater Visual System. Can you tell us a little bit more about what you do and how you do it?
We use BRUFs to surveying the predators inside the Saleh Bay. So the predators include sharks, rays, or maybe moray eels, and sea turtles as well. We put down a BRUF structure, recording the whole scene for 60 minutes using a GoPro camera. And then we pull out camera, the BRUF system, out of the water, and then we recover the data and analyze the video. My found there's a moray eel that is very interesting.
okay.
I never seen this one, so can you tell me about
Yeah. That's very unexpected. That's Gymnothorax isingtina.
Okay.
A beautiful animal, but not known from Sumbawa, not even known from the Lesser Sundas.
We are here with Dr. Mark Erdman, who co-leads the reef fish survey for this expedition in Saleh Bay. So, Dr. Mark, can you explain a little bit about what you're doing, how you're doing your searches?
We're here on the second day, and Andreas and I basically tag team on this. We go down and divide up the species, but we're basically trying to count every single fish species that we find. Well, after 3 dives, we're up to about 260 species that we've recorded so far, including, I'm happy to say, a new one. So we do have a new species of goby, which we'll be able to name towards the end of the trip. So very excited about that. First trip I ever did to Saleh Bay was in 2015. And that was before there was anyone knowing, other than the local fishermen, about the whale sharks. So that was a CI trip, and we determined there were whale sharks here. And from there, our team really has done an amazing job of developing a community-based ecotourism project here. But now it's taken another step.
Hai, kita sama Asep Makmun yang memimpin akustik survei untuk ekspedisi di Teluk Saleh ini. Mas Asep bisa jelasin ngapain aja ini dan peralatan apa aja yang dipakai?
Jadi alat akustik ini support tuh untuk merekam ethioplankton, bisa dari ikan-ikan yang ada di kolam perairan, terus whale shark sendiri, dan kemudian sumber makanan bisa di record di sini. Nah, alat ini sendiri terdiri dari ada laptop, transceiver, dan transducer. Nah, kita melakukan perekaman itu sedalam 700 meter.
We are here today with Dr. Rian Prasetya, who's leading the coral reef survey for the expedition in Saleh Bay. Dr. Rian, can you explain what is it that you do and how you do it?
So what I'm doing is assessing the coral reef condition at different depths. So from mesophotic depth, around 30 to 40 meter, and then go to the shallow reef, 20, 10, and 3 to 5 meters. And I am using photoquadra transect, so capturing image and then quantify the coverage of the corals.
We are here with Dr. Charles Simanjuntak, who's leading the zooplankton and ichthyoplankton survey for the Saleh Bay expedition. Dr. Charles, can you explain a little bit more what is it that you do and how you do it?
I'm conducting research about the geoplankton and also ichthyoplankton. So we use the plankton net to collect the geoplankton all around the Saleh Bay, because geoplankton and also ichthyoplankton as the main diet for the whale shark.
As we move forward, the importance of continued conservation efforts becomes clearer. Saleh Bay is not just a critical habitat for the whale sharks, it is also a symbol of hope for marine ecosystems around the world. By protecting the area, we are not only preserving its unique biodiversity, but also safeguarding the future of our generations to come.